Have you ever had a challenge whereby you are able to plot a melody which is following the song, but you are failing to make the 3 notes chord progression? In this video, I'll show you how you can do that in a simple way. 3-note chord progression specifically for beginners. Okay, so there are times whereby someone is singing a song, then want to do some chord progression. There are times whereby you have the first note, but you don't know what to do next. But as a beginner, I want to show you the easiest way you can do that, how you can easily find the chord, and how you can easily make the progression. So I'm using a fellow keys. So there are times whereby your song maybe is giving you either a D or maybe C. So you don't know what's next. How can you find another chord? How can you make this note C to be the full chord? So what you can do is you count 1, 2, 3, and the 4th note. Then again 1, 2, 3, the 3rd note. This is the full chord, whereby even if you give the keyboardist, will be able to handle this chord. Then how can you find now another the following chord? This is a C chord, but in C maybe you don't know about the theory of music. What you can do is it's either the second chord maybe F or G. Why did I say F? Just next to the middle note, this one, and or this one. So the best way you can do is you just copy the first one, then duplicate it. You'll find that it's either a song is either here or here. You see, it's between these chords. Sometimes yes, but as a beginner, most of the time the song may circulate in this chord. So sometimes maybe if it's not this F, what you can do is you find that maybe something relating to this, try to drop it down by holding Control down up. You see, it's not an off E. So most of the time you may find that maybe the next key may be the first one, and you know that automatically the 4th one will be this, and you see that it will circulate. You see, it's not an off key. What did I say? First note, you count 3 notes apart. 1, 2, 3, then the 4th one. 1, 2, 3, then the 4th one. Then the 3rd note, you count just 2 apart. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter. It's not just, this is not only work in C chord progression. No. Sometimes even, let's cancel this. Then let's try A. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th note. Then it will be C. Then you count again 2 apart the 3rd note. That will be the last one. 1, 2, 3. That's a chord. Then it will automatically, as a beginner, most of the time, for you not to have some challenges, what you can do, you find that your song, most of the time what matters is the tempo. You find that the next chord may be this or this. So sometimes upper chord or the down this chord. So what you can do is just duplicate the song one. Then it's either to be here or here. So for you to not have the challenges again, what you can do, even here I said the middle key, the next key to the middle key, this one will be here. Then just count 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth note. Then you count again 1, 2, 3, the third note. You have managed. These are the keys whereby even if you give the keyboardist, will be able to handle the keys. Sometimes what you can do, maybe I've managed to make the chord progression in A, like maybe, as we said, automatically the key will be here and here. The key is either this one, the last key is either this one, or the last one. Or the last one. This one. There are no off keys. Sometimes you may just drop these keys. You highlight them, control down arrow key. You can even hear how sweet they are. So that's how you can do as a beginner. As long as you know the first note, then you are able to make the progression. I know there are advanced ways you can do those, but I'm saying for those who don't have maybe the piano ideas in terms of chords progression and the like, the key, the guitar and the like, that's how you can come up with a chord. But then sometimes what you can do, just in case that you find that these keys are not matching with the vocals, you can just highlight the whole progression, then start dropping them down. We will not be off. We will not be off. So you can just try to see the progression will still work, even if maybe we say we drop these down, or we drop this one, maybe up. Same, as long as you're working in this area. So let's do a simple revise. I said you have a song, maybe you know the first note, say so there are some of them whereby they're able to make a melody or the song, following the song, that melody which is following the song. You have managed to plot the melody, but now you want to make the strings using like the piano, the way those piano guys are doing it. So just an example, I'll try to make a melody like okay, let's make this melody so that you understand what I'm trying to say. I have this hymn goes like just like something like that. So let me try to plot that. So you see it's in the key, see? let's just I want to give you an example. So the first note we are having is C, the C note. So what you can do now is maybe let's just clone this one. Then this one will give it some organ. So what did I say? We say first, then we count to 1, 2, 3, 4th note. Then 1, 2, 3, third note. So you see, it's the whole key. So like from here to here. Then you see, it's not off. And here, the second one, here you may hear that it's another chord. So what we can do is we duplicate. We want to try what we are explaining. No, it's not matching. I'm sure you can hear the sound. So let's try here. Yes, it's fit, perfectly fit. So what you can do, you see, this is D and this is the D. So it means that they have just used the lower note. So what you can do, you just highlight this one, then drop down. So you see, what I explained earlier on is it has come back to the first key. So first chord. So you just duplicate this one and bring it here. So here it's changing. You know how hymns are. It's changing. And what did I say at first? This one is working just immediately after the middle note. So if you check here, it's giving us this one. And when you check here, it's coming back to this one. And moreover here, the key is falling on this one. So it has failed to match with this one, meaning in this key, how many chords do we have which have this key, this D key? Meaning if this one has failed, it means that it is this one, the first one. Let's give it a try. See, it's matching, perfectly matching. And we have this note again. It is giving us how many chords do we have which have this note, the A. So what you can do is you check, meaning it is this one. Let's give it a try. So see, so let's check this one again, which chord which is having this G. Let's try this same one, if it will fit. So you see here it's changing. So let's try now which chord which is having this D among these three. So we'll first try with this one. You see, it's perfectly fitting. That's how you come up with the chord progression as a beginner. If you totally have don't have the knowledge for piano, you just count the first note, you count 4 notes apart, then the fifth one, 3 notes apart, the fourth one you brought, then you count 2, the third one you brought. It means you have managed to make the chord. So if you have found this video useful, please give it a like, hit subscribe button, and share for more videos. Hit that notification bell so that you can receive more notification as I upload more videos about beginner's guide, how you can come up with a chord progression and other related videos. Thank you. See you soon.